Kawatieko gi weche mag AUC enigi koneja fombo matene Leonard Mbotela oko e kar yweyo mare mogik kar iko jomotho malang'ata. Nyasi no yore gi anyuola Mbotela, jotelo mapachoka, jofwambo, jothum, jolemo, kaachiel gi oganda jo Kenya mabende nochopo mar kowe. Mbotela biro par gi lendo marauma manolando e kinde mane jolweny temo loko mapachoka kata timo loko mapachoka mane higa 1982.
Much as I am
My father's house has many rooms. If that were not so, would I have told you that I am going there to prepare a place for you? And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come back and take you to be with me, that you also may be where I am.
Children, nieces, nephews, cousins, and Kenyans in general, remember the wise words of Leonard Mambo Mbotela. Go thee well, Mbotela, a man of faith who believed in things unseen and prayed for better Kenya.
That we loved him, but God loved him more. Yes, God loves us more than we can ever love ourselves, more than anyone can love us. So we believe. Jimmy, take heart. Daddy is there, watching over you, intercessing for you. He's in your heart. I was telling Mom, he's here.
Japokuwa sijawahi muona huyo baba physically, lakini katika hali ya kiroho tulijuana. Kila wakati alikuwa anaambia Mom, pigia mchungaji wa Mbua simu aniombe. Ananielezea hali ya mwili, hali ya familia, na ananiambia ni Mwenyezi Mungu peke yake anaweza mambo ya mwanadamu.
Kitu muhimu si idadi ya watu waliweza kuhudhuria mazishi yake leo. That's not important. Pahala muhimu na jambo muhimu ni Mwenyezi Mungu ampeleke pahala pema pepeni kwa yale huu mzee aliyoyatenda akiwa hai katika dunia hii. Hiyo ndio itamfaa pale mbele.
Kawadonjo kaendi e pautuke ni tima sofapaka kawuono loyo KCB gonde ariyo kuom nono e tuk KPL. E tugono mano goya lap ma Kenyatta boma machako